Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley C, your beauty and fashion BFF for entrepreneurs. If you are in the beauty business and you sell your own beauty and or fashion items, I would love to try out your stuff and review them and give you my honest opinion right here on this channel. All you have to do is first hit the subscribe button and then click the link in the description box to tell me a little bit about your company and your products. So today's item that I am reviewing, I actually purchased this one myself from Life of a Bombshell Cosmetics, and this is the High Maintenance Palette. Now, interesting story is that this cosmetics line was started by Kyshira Moffett about a year ago. This company just celebrated their 1-year anniversary, and she has a channel right here on YouTube where she talks about the entire process if you want to start your own makeup line. Several videos, they are really good, really helpful. But if you would like to know my thoughts on this eyeshadow palette, and as you can see, I'm wearing it right here, green and pink. If you would like to see how I achieved this look, then keep on watching.
So I went on ahead and prepped and primed my eyelids. And the first color that I'm going to use is this really cute peachy pink color. And I'm going to use that sort of as a transition shade and apply that all over the top and all the way down to the center of my eyelids on both eyes. It's not picking up well on camera, but it's a really cute peachy pink color. And then I went back in with this darker pink color. It has a little bit of shimmer in it. And as you can see there, it has a lot of color payoff, very bright. And I'm sort of dragging that all the way out from the middle of my eyelid all the way up, and I did that on both eyes. Then I went in with this really cute plum sort of purplish color, and I wanted to apply that on the inner part of my eyelid to give me some more depth and dimension and kind of creating that outer V there, making a little bit of a smoky eye. Doing that on both sides. Really pretty purplish color. And this color here, I'm not really sure what it is. It's kind of white, really light white color, but I wanted to put that on the lid right underneath where the green is going to go, because I'm not sure at this point if it's going to be bright enough. So this is kind of going to work as an undertone for the green. And so I just put that on the center part, kind of carved out a little area there where the green color is going to go on both eyes. And this is on a dry brush. And now for the showstopper, this pretty emerald green. And I just put a little tiny bit on my brush and I was like, wow. Look at that, a lot of color payoff, very bright, very pigmented. I only put really literally just a little dab on the brush because I wasn't sure how it was gonna look. And I just tapped it on, tap, tap, tap. And it came out really cute. So at this point I felt comfortable enough to put a little more on, and I did that on both eyes. Really pretty. So then I went back in and I saw this dark purple. I don't really know why I wanted to use it. It really was no purpose, but I decided to add it right in between the green and the pink on the outer corner of my eye. It probably should have gone on the outside and not in between the green and the pink, but I just really wanted to use it. It looks so cute. So I added that in there and did that on both sides. And then I went in with this shimmery peachy color to use that under the brow bone to sort of finish off the look. Went on ahead and added lashes, and eyeliner, and I am not happy right here, y'all. Like, my lashes look like trash. I decided to use a new lash glue, and this stuff must have been made in Wakanda, because once I put it on, I could not move my eyelashes at all. I could not shift them and get them where I wanted. So they look terrible, but don't judge me, because I was about to throw this video out and I said nope, I have to go out anyways, and I am not a quitter. So let me go ahead and just finish this up.
So here is the final look, and I will insert a couple of pictures in natural lighting. I did step outside so that you can kind of pick up better on the colors, and here they are. So my thoughts on the palette is, first, that the colors were very bright and springy. I love that for this time of the year. And also, you got a lot of color payoff. The colors were bright and pigmented. I only had to use a little bit to get some nice bright pops of color. I will say that there was a little bit of fallout, not much though. It was actually less than I experienced when I used my Naked palettes or my Lorac Pro. So fine there. I do wish there were a few more colors in this palette, maybe a few more neutral colors, but that's fine. If I really want to, I can just go back over to her website and order some more stuff. And so based on my experience with this eyeshadow palette, I would say that this item is Ashley approved. If you would like to order this high maintenance palette or any of her other products from Life of a Bombshell Cosmetics, I will link that information in the description box. And if you would like for me to test out your products, all you have to do is click the button to sign up. And don't forget, follow us on Facebook, follow me on Instagram. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.